Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to Embarkation Day on Princess Cruise Lines, the Ruby Princess. Now, this is our first time ever on Princess Cruise Lines, and yeah, at this point, we're actually already on the ship. We're already in our cabin. Yeah, and I didn't really film the intro. We were trying to get through everything and figure out everything that was going on, but I did do some filming, so we're going to do a little time magic here real quick, rewind the clock, and show you guys what has happened so far.
Yes.
All right, you ready to get on the ship, baby?
Yes.
All right, so we are getting on board the Ruby Princess. You ready to go sailing, baby?
Yes. It's been a while.
It has been a while. But all right, you ready for your first step on board the ship?
Yes.
All right. All right, here we go. First step on board the Ruby Princess.
Thank you.
Hello. All right, so we are officially on board the ship, baby.
Yes. Yay.
Now
We
you're
made it.
Now you're finally excited?
Now I'm excited.
Yeah. Tiffany has been, I'm not on the ship. I'm not getting excited. I'm not on the ship.
But I'm on the ship now, so I can get excited.
Well, let's take a look at the Ruby Princess, being our first time on Princess.
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning. So first thing we're going to do is go to our muster station.
Is this our muster station A?
I am not sure exactly where our muster station is, but let's figure it out.
Okay.
I'm assuming that this might be our muster station, because this is muster station A. So our muster station is muster station B in the casino. So we are going to try to head down and find the casino here. Back to hunting the muster station. It is somewhere here in the casino. But we can take a quick peek in the casino. And see if we can't figure out where we are supposed to be. We are looking for the person that is scanning. Are you sure they're not up there by the door? There's a crew member over there, baby. All right, so we're definitely having fun figuring out where stuff is on a brand new cruise ship.
Yes.
So I think we finally figured out. We had to ask where our muster station was, but I believe we are now heading in the right direction. Look at the ceiling. So this is the piazza. We have figured out we're on deck number 6. So what do you think so far, baby?
I like it so far.
The very little bit we've seen so far? All right, so you want to cruise around and explore?
Yes.
All right. All right, so we're over here at the International Cafe. They got sandwiches, all different kinds.
Burger pie.
A beef burger pie, ham sandwiches, all different kinds of sandwiches. They got desserts. You got some cakes and, of course, coffee.
Hi.
Wouldn't surprise me if Tiffany's going to go right in. You going to get a coffee?
Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah, because there's Future Cruise Desk, the Vines Bar. Look at that. Look at all that automatic door action. They just open right up for you. Do they think you're important? They know you're important.
Yeah, they do.
She says, I'm the princess on Princess. Better open for me. Touch him.
No.
Touch him. Lick it. See if your tongue sticks to him. Baby, come back and lick the bunny. All right, Tiffany said no to licking the bunny. Why won't you lick the bunny?
That's just gross. I'm not that kind of a passenger.
You don't want to touch it, lick it, see if you get some COVID?
No.
What do you got there? A beet salad?
Beef.
That's what I said, beet. I got some herring. All right, so we're kind of checking out, see what's going on here in the buffet. I found desserts. Found salads. All right, so I found a big giant brownie next to a mini quiche with mushrooms. Chicken. Maybe those are Cuban sandwiches,
I
by the
know.
way. Tiffany really likes Cuban sandwiches. She found one. I'll take a look. All right, so Tiffany really wanted to find out how we get here above the bridge. So we found it. We had to come down to deck 15, walk through the cabins in order to find this area right here.
And to answer your question,
And there we go. You can see down onto the bow area. Now I'm pretty sure that's crew area right there. I think that's the crew's recreational area down there. But this is a good place right here on deck 15 is how you get to it. All right, so they have just announced that the cabins are ready. So we're gonna head down to the cabin, drop off our bags, and see how our cabin even is. Tiffany's got thumbs up for it. I don't even think she cares. She just wants to drop off her bag.
yes.
So off to the cabin we go. All right, so we are looking for our room. And we are going to be in P224. There it is. It's already open, baby. Or the light screen. All right, so we're trying to figure out the door here. There we go. And we have made it to
Just
the
gotta be
cabin.
smarter than the door.
Come quick look at the cabin here. And there you go. You guys are all caught up with Embarkation Day. They said the medallion getting on board, super easy, super smooth. They just basically boop, and you're on. We managed to get lost on the ship already.
But that's okay. That's part of the experience of being on a new ship, on a new cruise line.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, I didn't do any research prior to this cruise as far as the ship layout, other than knowing where our cabin was going to be. I figured, hey, let's have an adventure and we'll just kind of figure it out as we go. We're going to get lost. We're going to have some fun. We're going to get turned around and we're really just going to kind of enjoy it. But as you guys can see, you're all caught up to us. We are now down here in the cabin so we can get all of our stuff dropped off and kind of go back out and start exploring the ship some more. But what do you think so far?
So far, I like it. We're on the ship. I'm cruising again. You've been cruising.
That's true.
And
It's always good to be back on the ship.
Yes.
I mean, who really wants to be back on the ship? Now, I showed it, when I did the room tour, but I don't know. This room's got a lot of mirrors in it.
Yeah, it does.
It's got a lot of mirrors
But
in
it makes it look really big because of it.
Yeah, well, if you're into some of that, stateroom with lots of mirrors, this room is for you. You can see yourself from every angle. Just share that. You do with that information what you want. I'm just putting it out there. So, but we're going to continue to cruise around. We want to try out this medallion app. Matter of fact, let's go take a look at this thing by the door. Because I'm curious to know what that thing does. Let's go see what it does. So it's pretty cool. I mean, it has our room number. It's got our picture. Lets us know the door is unlocked. Yeah, so we pretty much just walked up to it and...
I guess if you want privacy, you hit that button.
Yeah, so...
If you need your stateroom service, you hit that button.
Right, yeah, versus, the other ones where they had, like, the magnets or the signs.
Yeah.
Yeah, here you just touch your door, and it lets them know to clean your room or to let you be and everything like that. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. You just kind of approach the door, and it does its own thing. What do you think about that?
I like it. So far.
So far? Well, just think
So
if you
far.
come down here with a bunch of stuff,
Yeah, it's
your
gonna
hands
be,
are full.
Yeah.
Let you in the room right away.
Yeah.
I lost Tiffany down some hallway here. It's like an adventure to find your way in the theater. Oh, there we go. We found our way into the Princess Theater. What'd you think, baby?
I think you're practicing.
Okay, so what is this one? This is the Steakhouse Crown Grill. This is obviously the photo place, baby.
Yeah.
That's going to be the photo place.
They sell snorkel equipment and.
So I need to be able at the
Oops,
very
sorry, baby.
least, I can get the number.
They said they got these computer things everywhere. All right, so this is Club Fusion. All right, so Tiffany is testing out the International Cafe.
Yes.
And she's testing out to see how the medallion works.
He records everything.
Yes. Just one.
But of course, she's going to test it out by
Want
getting
anything?
coffee.